Hello guys, welcome once again to this YouTube channel Corex TV. And on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy the Monad Testnet token. Now, as we all know, the Monad Testnet went live about 3 weeks ago. Yes, and they actually airdropped their token to active wallet users on Ethereum chain. And so many others did not get this because they were not active. So if peradventure you are among those who did not get this video is for you. But before that, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Corex TV. And also, if you are a returning user, this is me and the entire Corex team saying thank you for always being there for us. So let's get into what we have for today. So as you can see, it's quite difficult buying the Monad Testnet token. So today's video is a very short video and I'm going to be showing you how to buy Monad Testnet token in 2 to 3 minutes. So let's get to business. So all you have to do is you visit this website gas.zip, and then you connect your wallet to the website, the particular wallet you want to use to run the transaction. Now, when you have connected your wallet, you proceed. So I'm trying to make this very fast so that we don't waste a whole lot of time. Yeah, so immediately you connect your wallet, you see this interface is actually a new interface. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to be buying from the base network. So we'll be buying from the base network. So you're going to have funded your wallet with the base network. So when you have funded your wallet with the base network, you choose the base network as I have done here. Then you come under and search for Monad. So when you search for Monad, you will see it pop up here, Monad Testnet, and you have clicked it already. So when you come to this inbound chain, you click on base, because that's where we currently have money on. So you come over here and you change it to from $2, because I currently have about $5 here. So you change it to $5. Yes, and it's going to show you the amount of monad you're going to get here. As you can see, selected chain 14 monad. So you scroll down here and click on monad testnet file set. You will not click on this, but you click on send. So immediately we'll click on send. It's going to initiate the transaction, we'll authorize it, and we are all good to go. You click on confirm and we are almost there. So as you can see, successful. We have currently gotten the